The rate at which prices over a specific time period is known as inflation. Generally speaking, inflation is a broad indicator such as the general rise in prices of the country's cost of living. A general rise in the cost of goods and services within an economy is referred to as inflation in economics. Variations in the real demand for goods and services, shifts in the supply of resources, like during energy crisis or shifts in inflation expectations, which can be self-fulfilling, are commonly cited as the main cause of changes in inflation. Example din po is, tulad ng sa 1K sa panahon ngayon, iilan na lang ang mabibili unlike dati sa panahon noon. Sa 1K sa panahon ngayon, ang pwede lang na example na mabili is 5 kilong bigas, 5 sardinas, 5 kanton, 5 noodles, and kalahating tray ng itlog, isang boteng langis, isang kilong isda, isang baretang sabon, isang kape na 50 grams. Yan po ang mga example na pwedeng mabili sa 1K sa panahon ngayon. Pero nakadepende pa rin sa bilang ng miyembro ng inyong pamilya kung ilan ang bilang ng araw na makukonsumo nyo ito.